So today I'm doing an updated skincare routine for you guys, but I decided to do it Vogue style, how they do it in the bathroom, because I've been watching those videos all day and I think they're so cute and so entertaining, and I love seeing how different everybody's routine is, and I've picked up so many little tips and so I just thought I would do it Vogue style for you guys today because I think it's just a fun, different setting. And I just thought it would be fun. That's the main reason I want to do it. And it makes me feel like sort of famous or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy it and be sure to subscribe and just keep watching. Okay, I'm so ready to take off this makeup, you guys. I just filmed a video before this one where I did a Nikki Tutorials recreation, and I have I've never worn so much makeup on my face at one time ever. So first thing I'm going to do when I wear this much or close to this much makeup, I take any oil, coconut oil. I've been using grapeseed oil as of recently. I've been loving it. Baby oil works. And I just use that to break down the makeup on my face. I've never been a fan of baby wipes, or not baby wipes, makeup wipes, because they've just always irritated my skin. Not really sure why that is. Oh, just lost an eyelash. Fell on the ground. No harm, no foul. I can tell I already need a new cotton ball, so I'm gonna grab another one of those. It's about as good as it's gonna get. Moving on. Now, I'm gonna wash my face. Normally I would use CeraVe face wash, the gel cleansing one, but just recently I got this from my birthday from Sephora, and it's the Cantaloupe Glycerin Drunk Elephant face wash, and I really like it, and I love all of their products. I love that they squeeze out of the top. I just think that it's such a cute little touch. So I'm just gonna put that on my face. Alright, so then I just dry out my face. Ugh. My elbows, my arms, because water always gets everywhere when I wash my face. So the next step after I wash my face is I take witch hazel. This is the Dickinson's original witch hazel, and I just put that on a cotton ball. Use that to make sure I really get everything off my face, especially when I'm wearing, oh my gosh, it dripped on my shirt. But especially if I'm gonna be wearing that much makeup, I don't trust face wash to get it all the way off, especially around my hairline, because I always just like try to avoid getting my hair wet because I don't want it to like get greasy with product. So I mainly use the witch hazel for my hairline. So now that my face is really clean, it feels super dry. So retinol is what I use to manage my acne. I've been using it for quite some time now. It's really helped my acne scars and my acne. Yeah, it's from my doctor, so I just get it prescribed, so I can't really tell you guys what to get. But I just do a little mixture of that. You don't need much, like a little pea-sized. And then I mix it with my moisturizer. This one's from Drunk Elephant. It is called the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. I really love how this works because it just like you press it and then it just like squirts out. Kind of like those old, if you guys ever played with the toy Play-Doh, like you know how it came with little toys and you could push the Play-Doh through? It's like the adult skincare version of that, which I love. And I just dot that on my face. And then I just rub the retinol on my fingers. And rub that in. I don't rub it in all the way though, and I will tell you guys why in a second. Okay, so I leave like a pretty thick film of cream on my face. And the reason for that is because I find the oil that I use, the grapeseed oil, yes, I do use it as a moisturizer. I find that it rubs in just a little bit better if I have a lotion. This comes out really fast, so I always have to be careful. But this is the one I use. Anyways, it's just from my local grocery store, but yeah. I use like a dime size amount and rub it on my hands and just pat it on my face, and it feels wonderful. My skin is so dry. Whatever's left on my hands, I just take down the décolletage, and I said down, but remember that you always go in upward motions because you don't want to cause wrinkles. After that, I just take some Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender just to help soothe my skin. I just inhaled that. Doesn't taste good. Just to help soothe my skin even more. Feels so good. And then I'll wait about 5 minutes. During this time, I'd usually go on my phone, reply to YouTube comments, reply to Instagram questions, drink some water, whatever it is. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for that product to settle into my skin, something I would do is just drink water like I just did, or I'll take the time to pluck any stray hairs on my eyebrows that I might have. And after I finish plucking my brows, I'll usually go in and trim these little front ones. I just did this pretty recently, so I don't need to do that much, but I'll kind of spike them up and get any hairs and just trim them. I love the grapeseed oil. It helps with aging, it helps with resurfacing, it helps with moisturization, which is my biggest issue, and I just really love it. So my routine up until this point, excluding the retinol, is the same morning and at night, but now I'm going to move on and continue how I would if I were to be going to bed. So this is now my nighttime routine. So I cannot go to sleep without lip balm. I just can't do it. I have to have something on my lips. So I've been using just my classic Carmex or like ever now. And then my two favorite pimple fighting products I use for different reasons. I love these little pimple stickers. I usually end up using these during the daytime because they're so clear and they keep any bacteria from getting on my pimples from like outside or from me touching my face, and they keep me from just picking at them or anything like that. And they come, if you can see, in all different shapes and sizes depending on your pimple, and I just really love these. These are from the brand, I can't remember, but I'll have it right here on the screen. I threw away the packaging. I just get them from CVS. They're awesome. They're $4. Go get some. But if it's nighttime, I will take my Mario Badescu drying cream, because this just really dries out pimples. And I've got a really big one on my jawline right here. I just put that on any pimples or anything that looks like a pimple, any bump, anything. I put it on that just in case it decides to turn into a pimple. And then the final step for my nighttime routine, which I'm excited to share with you guys because I think all of my fake freckle lovers out there are gonna appreciate me so much for sharing this tip. I have tried a bunch of different methods. I've tried henna, I've tried Freck. I love Freck. It's just not permanent. It washes off with my makeup. I still use it every day though. It's that's just a little fake freckle product that I have. Use my code if you're interested in trying it. I'll have it right here. But yeah, this is my favorite method actually as of recently. I just take the Saint Tropez fake tanner. This is in the shade Classic. If you wanted them to show up just a little bit more, this is leftover from like 2 days ago. But if you want a little bit of a darker color, then you can get the shade dark. If you've got a darker skin tone, I'm sure it'll work just the same. And I just squeeze a little bit onto the lid. Little teensy teensy amount. And I take a really precise brush and I dip it in the product. I basically just dab that wherever I want my freckles to be. I have like face dysmorphia. I swear my face was meant to have freckles. And it just doesn't feel right when I don't have any on my face. That's how it looks. They look really dark and crazy right now, but obviously when I wash them off in the morning, they look quite different. And I will film a clip of that for you when I wake up. Okay guys, it's the next morning. I told you I'd show you what my freckles look like. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll show you what these freckles look like. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so that is my finished nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified. Make sure to hit the bell as well so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I am doing 25 days of Christmas, a video every single day for Christmas, so I'm really excited, and there's gonna be lots of new content for you guys to see, so I hope you enjoy it. And be sure to follow my Instagram, my Depop. I'll have all of that stuff linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.